Good morning, good day, good afternoon. Welcome to Gina Yonke channel. Have fun. And today I will be sharing with you some of my insights, my exercise. Let's have fun. Your friend forever. Let's dance and be healthy, strong and free. Come, let's watch, like and subscribe. You will always be in my heart. Jewels of Gina, Jewels of Gina. Come and subscribe. Let's have fun, exercise and dance. Jewels of Gina, Jewels of Gina, Come and subscribe. Let's have fun, exercise and dance. Tips, teachers, pet, school and glee, fun and laughter, our lives like inspire. Jewels of Gina, Jewels of Gina, Come and subscribe, let's have fun, exercise and dance. Jewels of Gina, Jewels of Gina, Come and subscribe, let's have fun, exercise and And that's all, friends. Always here at Jewels of Gina, we will be communicating with one another, sharing our opinions, our beliefs, our own perceptions about life, about school, about our exercise. Stay healthy and stay strong. Be forever young, be motivated. It's our goal. If you want to stay alive, always think that health is wealth. God bless! Mga kabagets, hello! Bata o matanda, gusto natin na mapanatili pa or mapahaba pa yung ating buhay. So, meron pang 5 dapat gawin na pampahaba ng buhay natin. Number 1, syempre, build muscles. So, lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo yan. Pag matibay yung ating muscles, may resistance training tayo, hindi tayo magpapaakay kahit may edad na tayo. So yan, pampahaba ng buhay natin dahil mahirap naman yung tumatanda ka pero inaakay ka naman. Number 2, yung pagkain natin. So wag laging yung cravings ang pinagbibigyan. So ang pagkain ng asukal, the more na kumakain ka ng asukal, dumadami yung cravings mo at yung alat, yung pamaalat. Kaya the more na laging malasa ang mga kinakain natin, hinahanap-hanap ng katawan natin yan. Sanayin natin sa maayos na pagkain, yung hindi masyadong maalat, hindi masyadong matamis. Number 3, kailangan natin ng masarap at mahimbing na pagtulog sa gabi. Gawin natin lahat ang mga paraan para ang pagtulog natin sa gabi ay mahimbing. Kung ito ay gawin nating regular, gawin nating wag ka nang magko-coffee, gawin natin wag ka nang manonood ng mga nakakatakot or mga masyado pang exciting na mga palabas para handa na yung katawan mo na nag-slow down na. At huwag masyadong magpakabusog para madali ang pagtulog natin sa gabi. Next is lifelong learning. Kailangan lagi tayong na mayroong planong matuto. Habang may plano kang matuto ng mga ibang bagay, alam naman natin, hindi natin kabisado lahat ang bagay sa mundo. Hanggat meron ka pong ganyan, patuloy po na iinog yung mundo sa'yo. Okay? So yun lang mga ka-healthy. Panatilihin natin, pahabain natin ang ating buhay, maayos na pagtulog, build muscles, wag puro cravings, piliin yung masustansyang pagkain at lifelong learning. God bless! Our legs. 3, 4, and 5. And the other side. 2, 3, 4, and 5. For our arms. Yes. For our arms. Alright, thank you. Thank you. Kapagpahinga, kapagpa-walking. And thank you everyone. God bless. Stay strong, stay healthy. Smile because you are loved. If it's raining, not go to Yahoo! God bless and Yahoo! Smile, you are loved. Bye. And here's some of our posters on anti-bullying, on parent involvement in the school, the stakeholders and sponsors and donors, and what to do in terms of using the gadgets. And here are some of my pictures. Enjoy! And thank you for watching, guys. Thank you very much. God bless everyone.